Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the repair process for the audio IC issue on your HP NV14, you will need a few essential tools. First, gather a precision screwdriver set, preferably with Phillips and Torx bits, a spudger for safely prying open the laptop casing, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Additionally, having thermal paste on hand will be beneficial if you need to reseat components during the repair. Start by ensuring the laptop is powered down and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible to avoid any electrical hazards. Using your precision screwdriver, locate and remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Be sure to keep these screws organized, as they can vary in size and length. Once you've removed the screws, gently use the spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips that hold the casing together. After the back panel is removed, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any visible damage or debris. Next, locate the audio IC on the motherboard. It's typically near the audio jacks, but refer to a service manual or schematic for your model to identify the exact location. If the area around the IC is dusty, use the compressed air to blow out any dirt or particles, ensuring a clean work environment. If you suspect the audio IC is malfunctioning, you may need to check the connections and solder points. Look for any signs of corrosion or cold solder joints. If you're comfortable with soldering, you can reflow the solder on the audio IC to improve the connection. However, if you are not experienced in soldering, consider seeking professional assistance. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can explore your options with peace of mind. Before reassembling, check other components that could be affected by the audio issue. For instance, inspect the speaker connections and ensure they are secure. If you haven't already, apply new thermal paste to the CPU and GPU to prevent overheating, as this can also impact performance. Once you've checked everything, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the chassis and reinsert all screws in their respective locations. Tighten them securely but avoid over-tightening, which can cause damage. If you're unsure about any step in this process, or if you'd prefer not to tackle this repair yourself, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop to a shop, no calls, no travel. We'll handle everything for you. After reassembly, power on your HP NV14 and test the audio. If the issue persists, it may require further diagnosis or replacement of the audio IC. In such cases, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This allows you to make an informed decision on how to proceed without any surprises. Following these steps should help you resolve the audio IC issue on your HP NV14. With the right tools and a careful approach, you can restore the sound functionality to your laptop. If you encounter difficulties or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.